Hello everybody! Nandito po ako ngayon sa office ni Sir Joey Sarmiento, Vice President po ng Max for Asia. And at the same time, siya po yung elected chairman ngayon 2024 ng Direct Selling Association of the Philippines. At nagpapasalamat ako, Sir Joey, at binigyan niyo ako ng pagkakataong ma-interview kayo. Kumusta po kayo, Sir Joey?
Mabuti naman, Bernie, and thank you very much for having me.
Okay. So, sir, may konti lang akong tanong, no? Unang tanong ko, what sets Max International apart from other companies in the industry?
Very important question yan, Bernie. Alam nating lahat, what sets Max apart are its products. Itong products natin talagang proven effective. No? We have over 100,000 satisfied customers in the Philippines over the past 14 years. At ang importante dito yung science behind the products. And tayo lang ang product na meron talagang 55 peer-reviewed articles.
Wow.
At ngayon, nagsimula na yung human clinical study and we will have those results very soon.
Wow, bihira yung supplement, no? Natural supplement na may ganyang mga track record, no, sir? Now, my second question, sir, is what makes Max International product different from others?
Alam mo, number one, yung quality at yung quality control. No? So talagang lahat ng aspects of production, talagang masusing sinusubaybayan niya. No? Yung ating manufacturing facilities na ginagamit, talagang quality niyan parang sa mga pharmaceutical products. At ang more important, alam nating lahat ang importance ng glutathione sa katawan. No? At ang very important dyan, yung delivery ng glutathione. Dahil yung products natin, pinapataas yung glutathione levels natin dahil yung cells mismo ang nagpo-produce ng glutathione. In other words, endogenous. No? Nakikita nating mga glutathione products in the market, oral glutathione yun. No? At syempre, exogenous yan at ang delivery system sa body hindi katulad ng delivery ng products ng Max International.
Wow. So imagine niyo guys, no? Vice President, alam na alam yung produkto natin, no? Produkto ng Max International. Now, sir, when it comes to the company itself, what makes Max International as a company different from others?
Alam mo, ang importante dito, number one, yung track record. We have more than 14 years of proven success in the Philippines. At importante din dito, of course, yung leadership ng kumpanya. No? We make sure that we lead by example. No? Nandyan yung aspect of integrity in everything that we do. Mula sa products, sa business opportunity, sa rewards and benefits, we make sure that we deliver everything that is promised.
Yun, no? Wow, well said, sir. No? Ang ganda ng advantage and difference nitong Max International among other companies. Now, my last question, sir, actually, second to the last maybe, no? What is the advantage if the company you are involved is a member of DSAP or Direct Selling Association of the Philippines?
Very important yan, Bernie. No? Ang DSAP or the Direct Selling Association of the Philippines is the recognized association of legitimate direct selling and network marketing companies in the Philippines. Ang DSAP ay affiliated with the World Federation of Direct Selling Associations based in Washington, D.C. No? At bago ka maging miyembro ng DSAP, talagang napaka-strict yung mga requirements. No? Dapat compliant ka sa lahat ng governmental requirements from the FDA, DTI, SEC. In other words, para pumasa ka at maging miyembro ng DSAP, siguradong legitimate yung kumpanyang yan.
Ayun, no? So, guys, alam nyo na ngayon, ang advantage. Kaya para sure, sir, meron tayong kasabihan. Dapat, DSAP. Di ba? DSAP member. Ngayon, narinig ko, sir, yung DTI, meron silang bagong program ngayon regarding sa yung tinatawag na Seal of Legitimacy. Can you tell something about that Seal of Legitimacy?
yung Seal of Legitimacy, isang proyekto yan ng Department of Trade and Industry at kasama yan sa Memorandum of Understanding that was signed between the DTI and the DSAP back in 2018. Alam ng government at ng DTI na maraming pyramiding companies ngayon. Especially ngayon na may economic crisis, mahirap ang buhay, mas lalong dumadami ang mga kumpanyang pyramiding or get-rich-quick schemes na nagte-take advantage sa general public. Kaya ginawa ng DTI itong programang Seal of Legitimacy para matulungan ang publiko ma-identify ano ba yung mga kumpanyang tunay na legitimate. Meron silang mga requirements, napakarami, no? Para mabigyan ka ng Seal of Legitimacy, dapat mapasa mo at ma-comply mo lahat ng requirements na yun. At pag nagawa mo naman yon, yung kumpanya will be given a Seal of Legitimacy, which is a proof or a guarantee of the DTI that that company is legitimate.
Okay. So, andun yun sa mga offices, no? Binibigay yan ng DTI, no? At nilalagay yan, dinidisplay yan sa mga office na na-approve, no, ng Seal of Legitimacy.
Yes. As of now, we're proud to say that to date, no, 5 kumpanya pa lang ang nabigyan ng Seal of Legitimacy. No?
Wow.
At isa dyan ang Max International.
Yes.
At yung seal na yan ang nagpapatunay na legitimate ang company yon. Meron yung QR code. Pag in-scan mo, didiretso ka sa website ng DTI mismo. Proof that that company was given that DTI Seal of Legitimacy.
So marami kaming natutunan ngayon, sir, no? At least na-educate kami. Sabi nga nila, iba ang may alam, diba? So yan po, no, narinig natin from Sir Joey Sarmiento, DSAP Chairman and Max International VP for Asia. So sir, maraming salamat sa time nyo at sana sa uulitin ma-interview namin kayo ulit sa mga ibang topics naman.
Maraming salamat, Bernie. Anytime.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Thank you.